Hi, this is the YouTube channel for Math Contest Go Go Go. What I want to do for this channel is to build a platform for math lovers in order to make them discuss about different kinds of math problems. I will update a video about challenging problems every day. If you would like, please subscribe below. Now, let's begin. Okay, so this is the fourth day we are doing the coding. From different from yesterday, like I changed some parts. First is I changed the original part into a null statement. Like I just changed the find part from true or false just into a return null or return the amendment, I mean the count. And for the delete player, like I make the related changes here and here. The reason why I'm going to do it is it will be useful actually. So let's go back to the original puzzle. So this is a part which is the pre-initialized part. In this part, it will involve in the beginning setting. So I think you know how to like do scanning by scanner. So like I just do a scanner. Scan is the mandatory step it will need. And here are the initial steps. So we are going to code. Classify. This account is equals to find A. Since that the find isn't a what's that called? A function in this Java file, so we are going to use Eclipse so that it will activate the find there. And as I said, like this account can result in null or correct version. If it is equals to null, system.out.println, you are not a writer. This account does not exist. This is an easy system.out.println here. Then else statement. And here's the if. If this account dot check password B. So which means that this account, if its password is correct, then we are going to say it will success. Else system.out.println failure. Try again. So we are able to try this account for 5 times, because here you can't like change like the account. So we are going to give him 5 attempts. For I is equals to 0, I is less than or equals to 4, I plus plus. And this is the basic setting. And we are going to create a new function so that it will jump. Public static void game choice. victory. Okay. So if it is success, it will jump to the game choice directly. Game choice. Okay, I think we don't need what's that called? A parameter here. So after all, our code gets into this. Okay. Okay, now it is right. And we are going to change some minor errors. Done. So if it is 4 times like consecutively error, we are going to set. You don't have the right to change the password now. Okay. So now we come to try the result, I suppose. Log in. But since we just need to test whether it is right or not, we are going to set the password using status scanner scan. Okay, NuGet. Okay, one.set password. Okay, here 1 2 3 4 5. One.set user. What? One.set username. So we are going to activate the setter from there. Okay, now we are going to try. Hello, before you start, log in. Wait, shouldn't that be a now? 1 2 3 4 5. Enter your password. So we now have a wrong problem, which is like the password, this account does not exist. So we are going to write this account does not exist. Then we just set this account. Define random account equals to new classify random. But it's also not a decision. So we now have getting some problems, which we have completed username, but it is expected to not have the password. We are going to see the result here. If referee is equals to true, return amendment. We're just going to test the find. To see why the find does not work. Eclipse. We are going to continue filming, and the problem might be at here. So we are going to try this because we haven't applied the add account. Add player, one. What's the correct format I should use? Eclipse.addPlayer2. So we are going to try this again, if it works. Okay, so we proved that the find is actually working. Now we are going to do this. Before you start, log in 12345. Enter your password 12345. Success, 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 success. Okay, so it should jump to the game choice. If I is equals to 5. So we know that it is able to like check whether your password is correct or not. But to make this like what's that called? This game more concise, I mean better, I'm going to change this in some way. Like in order to make the code I is equal to 5, failure, try again. Success, game choice. So you are going to jump to the game choice. We are going to try why the game choice might not be working. ACE, ACE. So we are now going to try this again. Hello, 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Success, AC, success, AC, success, AC, success. So it will actually jump to there, I suppose. If it is at this circumstances, then we are going to break. Do a break. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Success, AC. Okay. So at these circumstances, I mean, my meaning is like, this code. If you add a break, then it won't like keep repeating the for loop. However, if it is not, I mean, you're not adding the break, it will like just run forever. So we do a testing data here. What happened to the recording film? Okay, now it is right. So to conclude, you need to remember the relationship between the the manager and the user, because the manager should be adding account. So this becomes one major problem that we are actually solving during the real code thing, like when you are doing this. And something. So like, you know that I can't activate on the, the mode. Okay, bye. In fact, problems, they have many solutions, and my solution is only a part of them. If you have more challenging solutions, please comment below. And don't forget, I will also post my problems there. See you tomorrow!